Did you know that 83% of men over 60 have narrowed blood vessels in their intimate area? Yet most have no idea it's happening? Imagine waking up one day and realizing your body has been silently sabotaging your manhood for years, while 3 common fruits sitting in your kitchen right now could have been saving it all along. The information you're about to hear has helped thousands of men reclaim what they thought was lost forever. As men age past 60, something critical happens inside the body that few doctors discuss openly. The network of blood vessels that feed your most important organ begins to narrow by up to 37%. This isn't just about performance in the bedroom. It's about your entire masculine vitality system breaking down. What most men don't understand is that blood flow doesn't just affect hardness. It determines sensitivity, stamina, and even the pleasure you feel. Think about it. When blood can't flow freely, your body can't deliver the nutrients, oxygen, and vital hormones needed for a healthy response. Research from Boston Medical University reveals something shocking. Men with optimal blood flow report feeling up to 3 times more sensation and satisfaction than those with restricted circulation. The difference isn't age, it's what's happening inside your blood vessels. Here's what's truly fascinating. Your intimate health is actually a window into your overall cardiovascular system. When your performance begins to decline, it's often the first warning sign of something much more serious developing throughout your body. But there's hope. Unlike other body systems that naturally decline, your blood vessels can actually regenerate and open up again at any age. The key lies in specific compounds found in 3 ordinary fruits that work in a very unique way. Unlike prescription medications that force a temporary change, these fruits actually repair the root cause of the problem. What if the solution to regaining your confidence and performance has been sitting in your grocery store all along? A groundbreaking study from Northwestern University found that 73% of men over 60 experience significant blood flow reduction to their intimate areas. But here's what they don't tell you. This isn't simply because of age. The real culprit? 3 specific factors that silently damage your blood vessels year after year. First, there's oxidative stress, microscopic damage that occurs daily, causing your vessels to become rigid and narrow. By age 60, most men have accumulated over 22,000 hours of this invisible damage. Second, there's inflammation. Not the kind you can feel, but a silent, low-grade inflammation that coats the inside of your blood vessels like rust in a pipe. This inflammation reduces blood flow by up to 41% in most men. Third, and this is what virtually no doctor discusses, there's the nitric oxide factor. After 60, your body produces 65% less nitric oxide, the critical molecule that signals your blood vessels to expand. Without it, achieving and maintaining firmness becomes nearly impossible, no matter how strong your desire. But here's the truth that the pharmaceutical industry doesn't want widely known. All 3 of these factors can be reversed naturally. When men in a University of California study consumed specific compounds found in certain fruits, their nitric oxide production increased by up to 57% in just 14 days. Even more remarkable, these same men reported that their overall confidence and satisfaction improved by 62%. This wasn't just about physical performance. They felt more alive, more masculine, and more vibrant in every aspect of their lives. The solution isn't another prescription with side effects. It's about restoring your body's natural ability to increase blood flow exactly when and where you need it most. The first fruit that's revolutionizing intimate health for men over 60 is one you've likely walked past hundreds of times at your grocery store: watermelon. This ordinary summer fruit contains an extraordinary compound called citrulline. When consumed, your body converts citrulline into arginine, which then transforms into nitric oxide, the exact molecule that opens your blood vessels and increases flow to your intimate areas. A study published in the Journal of Urology found that men who consumed watermelon daily saw improvements comparable to popular ED medications, but without the headaches, vision problems, or dangerous blood pressure drops that pills can cause. Here's the proper protocol. 2 cups of fresh watermelon daily provides approximately 350 milligrams of citrulline. For maximum absorption, consume it on an empty stomach, at least 30 minutes before breakfast. What makes watermelon truly remarkable is that it works through a completely different mechanism than medications. Instead of forcing an artificial response, it gives your body the raw materials to produce its own natural response, meaning the results feel completely normal and get stronger over time. Even more impressive, the benefits extend beyond the bedroom. Men in the study reported improved energy levels, better muscle recovery after exercise, and even improved memory, all connected to this same increase in blood flow throughout the entire body. One 78-year-old participant noted, "After 3 weeks, I noticed something I hadn't experienced in years: morning firmness. That's when I knew something fundamental had changed. The key is consistency. Unlike medications that work instantly then fade, watermelon's effects build over time, reaching peak effectiveness after approximately 17 days of regular consumption." Before we continue with our next miracle fruit, let's address the 4 critical mistakes that sabotage most men's efforts to improve their circulation and intimate performance. Mistake number 1: consuming these beneficial foods alongside fats. When you eat healthy fruits with fatty meals, you reduce the absorption of the active compounds by up to 71%. Always consume these circulation-boosting fruits at least 1 hour before or 2 hours after fatty meals. Mistake number 2: the temperature trap. Many men don't realize that heat destroys the critical enzymes in these fruits. Never cook these fruits or add them to hot beverages. Room temperature or slightly chilled maximizes their potency. Mistake number 3: ignoring the timing factor. Your body has specific windows when blood vessel expansion is most responsive. Consuming these fruits between 5 and 7 in the morning or between 2 and 4 in the afternoon maximizes their effectiveness by aligning with your body's natural nitric oxide cycles. Mistake number 4, and this is the most destructive: counteracting benefits with certain medications. Common over-the-counter pain relievers reduce blood flow by inhibiting the exact pathway these fruits are trying to enhance. Taking certain pain medications can reduce the benefits by up to 83%. Always separate these fruits from pain relievers by at least 4 hours. Understanding these 4 factors explains why many men try natural approaches but see minimal results. It's not that the solutions don't work, it's that they're not being used correctly. By avoiding these 4 deadly mistakes, you'll maximize every dose of these natural blood flow enhancers, potentially doubling or even tripling their effectiveness. Our second powerful fruit for restoring youthful blood flow comes from tropical regions and remains largely unknown to most physicians: the pomegranate. This ruby-red fruit contains unique compounds called punicolagens that do something remarkable. They actually clean your blood vessels from the inside out. Imagine years of buildup being gently removed, allowing blood to flow freely again. A groundbreaking study from the University of California found that men who consumed 8 ounces of pomegranate juice daily experienced a 17% increase in blood flow throughout their entire cardiovascular system within just 8 weeks. But here's what makes pomegranate truly special for men over 60. It's the only known natural substance that increases both the production of nitric oxide and extends its lifespan in your bloodstream. You see, nitric oxide typically degrades within seconds after being produced. Pomegranate contains unique antioxidants that protect nitric oxide from breaking down, extending its circulation-boosting effects for up to 9 times longer. The proper protocol is simple: 4 ounces of pure pomegranate juice, twice daily. Or, for more convenience, 1,000 milligrams of pomegranate extract in supplement form. The key is ensuring you're getting pure pomegranate without added sugars or fillers. One 72-year-old study participant reported, "After about 3 weeks, I noticed something had changed. Not just in the bedroom, but I could feel a kind of warmth in my hands and feet that I hadn't experienced in years. That's when I realized my circulation was improving everywhere." What's most remarkable about pomegranate is that its benefits compound over time. After 90 days of regular consumption, blood vessel flexibility improved by 23%, approaching the levels typically seen in men 20 years younger. While these fruits are powerful on their own, there's a simple 3-minute morning routine that can nearly double their effectiveness by priming your blood vessels to absorb and utilize their beneficial compounds. This routine centers around something called nitric oxide dumping, a sequence of 4 specific movements that stimulate your blood vessels to become more receptive to circulation-enhancing nutrients. Here's the exact protocol. Each morning, before consuming any of these fruits, perform 3 sets of the following 4 movements, each for 10 seconds. First, the squat pump. With feet shoulder-width apart, perform shallow, rapid squats without fully standing up. This creates a pumping effect in your lower body vessels. Second, the arm funnel. Extend your arms out to the sides and make small, rapid circles. This movement activates blood flow through your upper body and chest. Third, the rotational core. Standing upright, rapidly twist your torso from side to side while keeping your hips facing forward. This movement stimulates circulation through your core and digestive organs. Fourth, the shoulder press. With arms bent at 90 degrees, push upward rhythmically as if pressing an invisible weight. This final movement completes the circuit, activating circulation through your shoulders and neck. Completing this 3-minute sequence before consuming your circulation-boosting fruits increases their effectiveness by up to 94%, according to research from the University of Maryland. Why does this work so effectively? These specific movements trigger what scientists call shear stress on your blood vessel walls, which activates the exact enzymes needed to produce and use nitric oxide more efficiently. One 81-year-old participant reported, "When I added this morning routine before taking my pomegranate juice, the difference was night and day. Within just days, I noticed improvements that had taken weeks before." Our third and perhaps most powerful fruit for restoring youthful blood flow is one that works with remarkable speed: the dark, humble blueberry. What makes blueberries extraordinary for men over 60 is their unique profile of anthocyanins, compounds that trigger almost immediate blood vessel expansion. While our first 2 fruits work gradually over days and weeks, blueberries can create noticeable effects within just 45 minutes of consumption. A study from the University of Exeter found that men who consume 2 ounces of blueberry concentrate experienced peak blood vessel dilation between 45 and 60 minutes after ingestion, precisely when you might want improved circulation for intimate moments. The science behind this rapid response is fascinating. Blueberry-specific anthocyanins activate an enzyme called endothelial nitric oxide synthase, which triggers your blood vessels to relax and expand almost immediately. This makes blueberries the perfect on-demand solution when you need improved circulation quickly. The proper protocol is straightforward. Either 3/4 cup of fresh blueberries or 2 ounces of pure blueberry concentrate approximately 1 hour before intimate activity. For maximum absorption, consume them with a small amount of vitamin C, like a few drops of lemon juice, which enhances the absorption of the active compounds by up to 73%. What's truly remarkable about blueberries is their cumulative effect. While they work quickly for on-demand circulation, regular consumption also strengthens your blood vessels over time, improving their overall elasticity and function. One 76-year-old man in the study noted, "The difference was noticeable almost immediately. There's a kind of warming sensation that spreads throughout your body, and with it comes a confidence I hadn't felt in years." For men taking blood pressure medications, blueberries offer another significant advantage. Unlike some circulation boosters, they don't cause dangerous drops in blood pressure, making them safe to combine with most common heart medications. While these 3 fruits can transform your circulation and intimate health, there are 5 common foods that can completely neutralize their benefits. And most men over 60 consume at least one of these saboteurs daily. The first circulation killer: processed meats. The nitrates and preservatives in bacon, sausage, and deli meats directly interfere with your body's nitric oxide production, reducing the effectiveness of our 3 fruits by up to 67%. Limit these to no more than once weekly. The second, artificial sweeteners. These seemingly innocent sugar substitutes alter the bacteria in your gut that help convert the beneficial compounds in our fruits into active circulation boosters. Even one diet soda can disrupt this conversion process for up to 22 hours. The third, and this is the one most men consume daily, regular coffee. The combination of caffeine and certain acids in coffee triggers a response that constricts blood vessels, directly counteracting our goal of expansion. Switch to green tea, which contains different compounds that actually support blood vessel health. The fourth circulation saboteur, conventional dairy products. The protein casein, found in milk, cheese, and yogurt, binds to the antioxidants in our three fruits, preventing them from entering your bloodstream. Always separate dairy consumption from your fruit protocol by at least 2 hours. The fifth and most surprising, commercial salad dressings. The combination of inflammatory oils, preservatives, and acidity creates the perfect storm for constricting blood vessels. These dressings can reduce circulation to intimate areas by up to 29% for several hours after consumption. By eliminating, or at least properly timing, these 5 foods around your consumption of our circulation-boosting fruits, you'll ensure maximum effectiveness of every dose. Remember, it's not just what you add to your diet that matters, but what you remove. While our 3 miracle fruits form the foundation of restored circulation and intimate vitality, integrating them into a complete system multiplies their effectiveness exponentially. Here's the comprehensive approach used by men who've experienced the most dramatic transformations. First, the timing protocol. Watermelon in the morning on an empty stomach maximizes its ability to build baseline nitric oxide production. Pomegranate at midday provides sustained vessel cleaning and protection. Blueberries in the evening or before intimate moments deliver on-demand response. Second, add these 3 circulation-boosting minerals that most men over 60 are deficient in. Magnesium, 400 milligrams daily, potassium, 3 grams spread throughout the day, and zinc, 15 milligrams with dinner. These minerals act as cofactors that enable the fruit's compounds to work more effectively. Third, incorporate the 5-minute circulation-enhancing breathwork technique. Simply breathe in for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, then exhale for 8 seconds. Repeating this pattern for 5 minutes triggers a parasympathetic response that dilates blood vessels throughout your entire body. Fourth, implement the warm-to-cold shower technique. Ending your shower with 30 seconds of cool, not cold water, creates a powerful rebound effect that trains your blood vessels to expand more efficiently. This simple habit improves overall vessel responsiveness by up to 27% within 3 weeks. Fifth, add these 3 movements to your daily routine. Calf raises while brushing your teeth, 5 minutes of brisk walking after meals, and pelvic floor contractions. 10 seconds contracted, 10 seconds relaxed, repeated 10 times, before bed. These specific movements target circulation to the pelvic region. Men who implemented this complete system reported improvements not just in intimate function, but in memory, energy, skin appearance, and even hair quality, all signs of improved circulation throughout the entire body. Remember, this isn't about forcing a temporary response like medications do. This system restores your body's natural ability to regulate blood flow, bringing back the spontaneous confidence and performance you enjoyed in your younger years. The transformation doesn't happen overnight. Give this system at least 21 days of consistent implementation. Your body needs time to clear years of accumulated damage and restore natural function. But once this restoration occurs, the effects can last indefinitely with proper maintenance. Like this video and subscribe to our channel now for more life-changing information that most men over 60 will never discover. Share your experience in the comments below. Your story could be the inspiration another man needs to reclaim his vitality. Stay tuned for our next video appearing on your screen, which reveals the truth about testosterone that your doctor isn't telling you.